In Japan, even walking generates electricity. Tokyo Metro, one of the busiest in the world, uses piezoelectric technology in its floors to convert the energy from footsteps into electricity. This means that every step commuters take helps power the station and nearby infrastructure. Highways are equipped with piezoelectric materials that generate electricity from the vibrations of passing vehicles. This turns everyday traffic into a source of power. Besides piezoelectricity, the country is known for its advanced public transport systems, like bullet trains that can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Tokyo's Shibuya crossing, often called the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, sees thousands of people crossing in all directions every few minutes. This human flow represents both a challenge and an opportunity for energy generation. By innovating how they harness energy, Japan is showing us a glimpse of the future. For more high-quality and interesting content, subscribe to Evolvita.